Alright, good morning, Tasty Nation. I kind of want to do a real quick, short update, kind of give you an idea on what, a little peek into some of the stuff I look at. Okay, so real quick, here's ES, right? So look what happened. Remember yesterday we had that big drop? So usually what happens is whenever there's a big drop, there's what's called a gap fill. They try to fill the gap between where it closed the previous day and where it opened. So you see how it, oh, I don't know if I can. Okay, you see how it closed here and then opened down here? There's this gap, okay? So they try to fill it. And of course, it didn't happen, so it just kept on going down. So again, remember, look what happened overnight. If the market, if it can't beat overnight highs, it'll usually go lower. Vice versa, if it can't go below overnight lows, it'll go higher. Obviously, yesterday it went below the previous after hours overnight lows, and look what happened. So here's what's interesting. So here's yesterday's close, and then here's after hours, right? And then, you know, pre-market, it went lower, okay, down here, and then the market opened and it shot up. But see how so far it cannot get above overnight highs? Okay, I'm surprised. I thought it would go up here and at least test here and then hit this ceiling and drop. But so far it hasn't hit, it hasn't gone up yet. It hasn't broken through overnight highs. So as you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit more. Okay, here's overnight highs, right? And then look, see that it couldn't break through. It's going to try again, and it looks like based on this, we're already at the top. We were close to the top. It'll try and it'll fail. If that happens again, look for a nice continuation follow through lower today. And what that'll cause on the daily chart is that'll cause IB rank to continue to rise. Okay, so it gave up back a little bit today, and let's see what happens. I will show you SPX, which is hard to do OBV on, but here's SPY. As you can see, look what happened. See what I mean by opportunity? Didn't even hit 50, and it already started to collapse. Okay, so maybe the fear is over, but you'll see some buying came in today, which is why this has gone higher, but it's not nearly back here. So I did expect to, I actually expected it to be a little bit of an update, because I expected, here's what I expected to happen. Here's the high, here's the low. It usually rebounds to somewhere halfway between here, and halfway is right around here, which coincidentally is right up to here. So this what creates that stair-step motion, down, up, down, and that's what I thought would happen, but hopefully it just continues to go lower. All right. So what that does on a daily chart, it creates this stair-step, you know, like a stair-step downwards. And like I said, if this goes to red, this stays red, and we're only halfway, this can go all the way down here, and this will cause IB rank to spike back up. And if I zoom out, that was a sharp spike though. Look at that. Let me change the time frame to more time on it, and whoops, and let's go to 10 years, and then I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see a nice up move. When was the last time we had a nice sharp up move like that? Kind of like this. Okay, so up, down, kept on going down. This has been a strong bull market, so nice gradual rise here. That's nice and orderly. And let me zoom over here a little bit. Yeah, that was a big spike. So hopefully this can continue higher. All right. But again, that's the whole point about being in a range. It should eventually pull back down to here, but we'll see. Anyway, that's just what it looked like. So for example, why I do that, that helps me know when should I put on new trades. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'll continue to watch throughout the day. Yep, nothing's really changed. It kind of rebounded again, couldn't break above. Well, on the SPY, it did break above. Well, no, well, depends how you look at it, I guess. Let me zoom in. I was showing you ES, which is right here, which is honestly what I look for, because this is what, you know, leads the market. Here's SPY, which is just the ETF. Got these spikes here, but here's overnight high. Broke above it a little bit and it came back down. So depending on which index you look at, you're going to see different results. But either way, this is a good example though, so you can interpret charts differently. Here's the high, here's the low, somewhere in between around here. I did expect it to rebound today. Again, same thing, to get a nice stair step. It hasn't come even close to that, so hopefully it gives it up later on today and goes down further. All right. Again, if, as always, my charts are free to the people who subscribe to my channel. So if you like this, please, at the end of this video, on the bottom left, you should be able to subscribe and like it. Send me a message and I'll send you my charts. All right. Appreciate it. Have a great day.